What up, MoneyBot crew? Could you be making an extra $100 a day just by sitting on your couch? Well, today I'm going to show you 8 websites that pay you big bucks to take surveys and share your opinions. Let's dive in. Imagine this, getting paid to share your experiences and opinions with companies that want to make awesome products and services you'll actually love. Sounds pretty sweet. Well, online surveys can be your gateway to that kind of awesomeness. Now let's be real. Surveys aren't going to buy you a mansion overnight. But listen up. With a little effort, you can turn them into a serious side hustle that brings in some extra cash flow. We're talking movie nights, video game sprees, that new outfit you've been eyeing, all funded by your valuable insights. Here's the thing. Surveys aren't one size fits all. Some might take a few minutes, others a bit longer. But the key is consistency. The more surveys you tackle, the more opportunities you have to rack up those rewards. Plus, some sites pay more depending on your demographics, so being honest when you create your profile can unlock some serious earning potential. And guess what? The more time you invest, the more you can learn the system. There's strategies out there for finding higher paying surveys and qualifying for more of them. Think of it like leveling up your survey game. So MoneyBot crew, the message is clear. Online surveys can be a fantastic way to boost your income and turn your spare time into earning extra money. It's not a guaranteed path to riches, but with dedication and a little know-how, you can unlock some serious earning potential. Who knows, maybe that dream vacation is just a few surveys away. Hold up. Before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. Are these surveys legit or a big scam? Here's the deal. There are definitely some scammy survey sites out there, promising riches for just a few clicks. But fear not, there are also plenty of legitimate platforms where you can share your opinions and get rewarded. The key is to be smart about it. Avoid those websites that seem too good to be true, and stick to reputable companies with a good track record. We'll be highlighting some of those in this video. So, while surveys won't make you a millionaire overnight, they can be a fun and rewarding way to make some extra cash on the side. Alright, let's kick things off with Maven, the micro-consulting platform specifically designed for finance and tech gurus. If you're a brainiac in those fields, this platform could be your golden ticket. Instead of mindlessly clicking through surveys, you'll be flexing your intellectual muscles, providing valuable insights and expertise. They pay with PayPal or direct deposit, and with around 50 hours dedicated per month, you could potentially be looking at a cool $1,000. So, dust off your financial spreadsheets or fire up your coding skills, because Maven might just be the perfect platform to unleash your inner financial samurai or tech ninja. Next up, we got Recruit and Field. Forget those quick and easy surveys that pay peanuts. Here, you'll be diving into the deep end with in-depth studies and tasks. We're talking about serious research projects where your opinion goes beyond a simple yes or no. Tackle challenging tasks, flex your intellectual muscles, and showcase your expertise. The best part? They like to keep their talent pool happy. Perform well, and they'll likely call you back for more, meaning more opportunities to earn big bucks. They pay with PayPal and gift cards, and with around 50 hours of effort, you could potentially be swimming in $1,000. So, if you're ready to ditch the mundane and embrace the challenge, then Recruit and Field might just be the platform to level up your earning game. Now, if you ever wondered what it takes to bring that hot new gadget or service to market, well, with user testing, you can be a fly on the wall, virtually, of course, and get a sneak peek at the latest innovations. Here's the deal. You'll be testing new products and services before they hit the mainstream, putting them through their paces and providing your honest feedback through the power of your microphone. Imagine getting paid to share your thoughts on the newest fitness tracker or the hottest new streaming platform. That's pretty cool. They pay with PayPal, and with around 50 hours of testing, you could potentially be banking $1,000. But remember, snagging these surveys depends on qualifying and the availability of new products. So, hone your observation skills, get ready to articulate your thoughts clearly, and become a pioneer in the world of product testing with user testing. Okay, now let's talk about browsing websites and getting paid for it. I know it probably sounds too good to be true, but with IntelliZoom, it's not. Here's the deal. You become a web surfing detective, visiting websites and providing your honest feedback through your microphone. Imagine getting paid to share your thoughts on the latest online store layout or the usability of a new travel booking platform. Pretty cool, huh? They pay with PayPal, and with around 50 hours spent surfing and giving your expert opinions, you could potentially be raking in $1,000. So, dust off your bookmark bar, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready to earn some cash while exploring the vast digital landscape with IntelliZoom. So, have you ever got annoyed with those pesky glitches and bugs that seem to pop up at the worst times? Well, what if I told you that you could actually get paid to find them? That's right. With Tester Work, you become a bug bounty hunter, a digital exterminator of sorts, tasked with sniffing out imperfections in websites and apps. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to do this. Tester Work is all about finding the obvious stuff, the things that might annoy the average user. So, channel your inner Sherlock Holmes with a side of tech detective, put on your critical thinking cap, and start hunting. They pay with PayPal, and with around 100 tests, each taking about 3 hours, spread throughout the month, you could potentially be banking $1,000. So you will have to invest some time to make $1,000 with this platform, but every little bit counts. Remember, even the smallest bug can cause big problems, so grab your magnifying glass and help make the digital world a smoother place with Tester Work. Next, calling all tech enthusiasts. If you're feeling like Tony Stark, then get ready, because beta testing might just be your calling. Ever wondered what it takes to launch that next big app or software? Well, here's your chance to be part of the inner circle. With beta testing, you get to be a digital pioneer, testing out new software before it hits the market and providing valuable feedback to the developers. Not only is it fun and exciting, but you also get paid with PayPal for your efforts. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so be thorough in your testing and provide constructive criticism. Dedicate around 50 hours. Most surveys take about 30 minutes each, and you could potentially be banking $1,000. So, put on your tech detective hat, grab your magnifying glass, figuratively of course, and help shape the future of software with beta testing. Alright, here's a quick heads up. We already talked about user testing, but it's so good, I gotta mention it again. Remember, this platform lets you be a product testing pioneer, giving your verbal feedback on the latest innovations before anyone else. They pay through PayPal, and with around 50 hours of testing, you could potentially be banking $1,000. But remember, qualifying for these surveys and the availability of new products play a role. So, keep your profile updated. Get ready to articulate your thoughts clearly and become a trendsetter in the world of product testing with user testing. It's like getting paid to be a secret agent in the world of cool new stuff. What's not to love? Okay, this is where things get interesting. We're not just talking about your average surveys here. Respondent is a treasure trove of high-paying surveys that could potentially turn you into a survey-taking sensei. We're talking surveys that go beyond the usual "what's your favorite color?" and delve into specific fields and industries. Here's the deal. The more you complete your profile, the smarter the algorithm gets at matching you with surveys that align with your expertise. So, whether you're a finance whiz, a marketing guru, or a healthcare professional, there's a potential goldmine of surveys waiting for you on Respondent. Most surveys pay around $5 to $10, but some can go as high as $700. Now that's what I call serious earning potential. They pay with PayPal, and with around 12 to 13 hours per week dedicated, assuming surveys are $10 each and take 30 minutes, you could potentially be raking in $1,000. Remember, consistency is key. The more you actively participate and complete your profile thoroughly, the more opportunities Respondent throws your way. So, put on your thinking cap, dust off your expertise, and become a survey-taking master with Respondent. Alright, MoneyBot crew, that's it. These 8 websites are your potential tickets to becoming survey-taking ninjas, beta testing samurai, and product testing pioneers. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes dedication, effort, and maybe a sprinkle of luck to make serious cash. But hey, who wouldn't want to get paid for sharing their opinions and flexing their expertise? Here's the deal. Complete your profiles thoroughly on these platforms. Stay active and consistently update your skills and knowledge. The more you put in, the more you get out. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below which platform you're most excited to try. As always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep hustling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.